Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos. Ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Mga kapatid, mahirap po paramdaman ang presensya ng Diyos kapag tayo po'y bigat na bigat sa buhay. Kapag tayo'y pagod na mas gusto na lang nating sumuko, bumigay, o kaya naman yung dahil sa dami ng problema natin at hindi natin maintindihan o maunawaan bakit nangyayari ang mga bagay na ito. Habang ang hirap paniwalaan na mayroong Diyos sa ating buhay, na mahirap maramdaman na nasa atin ng Diyos kapag tayo ay tumatangis. Ito ang kondisyon ni Maria Magdala sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon. Siya'y tumatangis, siya'y nagluluksa sapagkat nawala ang Panginoon, namatay ang Panginoon. At nung siya'y bumisita sa libingan, mas lalong nabigatan kasi she was expecting that the body of the Lord, the corpse of the Lord would be there, but the body was missing. And so he thought that the person in front of him was a gardener, and she failed to recognize that it was the Lord. Why? Because she was weeping. Her copious tears and despondent spirit prevented her from recognizing the Lord. Or perhaps she was not able to recognize that it was the Lord because she was expecting differently. So she expected that the body, the corpse of the Lord would be there, but the tomb was empty. She thought that the body of the Lord was taken away. And many times, my dear brothers and sisters, this is also our condition. We cannot feel or recognize the presence of God because we are despondent. Walang hope. Para bang sukong-suko na tayo. O kaya naman hindi natin makita ang presensya ng Diyos sa buhay natin dahil meron tayong expectations. Gusto natin yung masunod yung expectations natin. At kapag hindi nasunod, ang ending natin, wala ang Diyos. Pero nandyan ang Diyos sapagkat yung binibigay ng Diyos ay hindi ayon sa expectations natin. Pero ang Diyos ay nariyan sa kung paano niya i-reveal ang kanyang sarili sa atin. Not according to how we know Him, what we know about Him, or what we expect Him to be. Ang Diyos nariyan lang, but He would reveal, He will make His presence felt in a way, most of the times, in ways we do not expect or will least expect na doon magpaparamdam ang Diyos. So let us be open and listen to the Lord who calls our name. And hopefully, like Mary, we would say, Rabboni, na walang doubts, but may full conviction na alam natin, nandyan lang ang Diyos kapiling natin. Kung nagugustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.